doing a video. The car I bought. So this is it. I really can't see nothing in my camera because of the sun. I'm very happy I bought it though. For 2013, it's really clean, but nice little car. This is gonna have this one for a long time, that's for sure. It's the inside. Well, for sure I'm gonna keep this one for a long time. I've got to watch where I'm stepping here because this is a the minefield from Roxy. Pretty clean little car. Just what I needed. I hate this plastic thing on it though. But okay, so that's a short video I was giving you. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you.